Hi guys, this is Umo and welcome back to Kadi Recipes. In this video, I will show you a traditional recipe from Guinea that we love so much here. We call it Fouti Hako, aka Lafidi, and it's made with sweet potatoes leaf and a few other ingredients. It's a simple recipe but so yummy. I have here my pot on the stove full of water, on which I'm going to add few okras. To that, I will also add 2 white eggplants, also called garden egg. Cover the pot and let this come to a boil. Like for any type of lafidi recipe, I prefer to use brown rice, but you can use any type of rice you love. So I'm going to wash my rice several times, drain the liquid and add in my pot. I will then reduce the water to avoid my rice to be overcooked. Then I will add some salt to taste. And I will also add hot peppers. Cover and let this cook until the rice is half cooked. Now I'm going to add my sweet potatoes leaf. To that, I will add my smoked fish powder. We call this Bonga here in Guinea. Now we are going to add this West African spice called Soumbara, also called Odji in Guinea or Netetou in Senegal. If you like bouillon cube, add it too. Then check the rice to see it is well cooked or add more water if needed. If you are loving this recipe so far, please press the like button now. When the vegetables are tender, remove them all and set aside. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it now for more delicious African recipes. This step is optional, but I love to scratch 2 okras and add in my rice too. Then let this cook until all the liquid is completely absorbed. Meanwhile, I will add my white eggplants with the hot peppers in a mortar and pestle. But you can also do this in a blender or even blend this with a fork. I will also remove some of the cooked sweet potatoes and add in. Now, mix the rice with everything in the pot. Then reduce the heat to very low and let this cook slowly. Then I will mix my sweet potatoes, hot peppers and white eggplants. Once done, remove and reserve. Then I will add my okras. You can add everything at the same time if you want, but I found that if you add all in once, the okras will be very difficult to mix. Add some cubes if you like, and also add some of the smoked fish powder with a little bit of soumbara. Once the okras are done, add in the sweet potatoes mixture you removed earlier. Mix this well and add some salt to your own taste. Once everything is well mixed together, remove and set aside. Now, heat some palm oil and add some onion. Saute for a few minutes. Adding the onions will give a nice aroma to the oil. Remove and set aside. Now it's time to serve this. So for that, add the rice with the okra mixture. I kept a slice of garden egg and hot peppers for serving. Add oil to your own taste and serve with the Soumbara spice and a slice of lime juice. And enjoy. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video and see you in the next one. Have a nice day. Bye.